Yo, what's good, guys? Last day in Atlanta. About to go hop on the airplane real quick. Just want to show you guys last night's profits. I already closed probably like 10,000 in profit. Got a 30K withdrawal on the way, and you guys see in open trades right now up 30K profit, including the 10K I already closed. And like I said, 30K profit on the way. So guys, not saying none of this to brag or boast, just showing you guys what's possible. I literally just woke up, about to go hop on the airplane, up over 40,000 in profit, all from clicking my buzz. Stayed up probably till like 1 o'clock last night, 30 minutes worth of work. No physical effort, no physical work. And you guys see it just did somebody's yearly salary from my phone. So if you want to know how to do this, guys, I got a webinar below. You guys already know I've been sending you information. I've been showing you guys results. Let me show you too, just so you know. You see? 29. Hold up. Live account. No demo flex. I really do this. I've been trading 5 years. I can look at a chart at any time and profit, guys. So just wanted to shoot this quick video before we hop on the airplane. We out here in Atlanta last day from a long trip, Hawaii, Los Angeles, Detroit. Finally going home, guys. So let's get it. Let's go. We out.